Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook password pop-up issue, and it is keeping asking for password. So first you need to check your internet connection. In the taskbar you can see internet connection option is here. If you're using Wi-Fi, check if Wi-Fi is working properly, and if you're using Ethernet, check if it is working properly. And you can try to open your browser and try to go some website. If it is working, that means your Wi-Fi internet is stable and connected. And if you're using VPN, you need to avoid that one, because Outlook can't authenticate without a stable network. If you're using VPN like third-party VPN, you need to turn it off until you fix this issue. Okay, so the next method is you need to restart Outlook and PC. So first you need to close Outlook completely. I already did that. Then after, you can go to start menu and go to power icon, then tap on restart option. It will be restart your computer. Then after, again you need to open Outlook, go to search bar, type Outlook option, tap on it. Now it is opening. Okay, this will fix the temporary credential bugs. So the next method is you need to enter the email and password. First you need to open Outlook from your computer. So you need to enter correct email and password again. So I'm going to enter my email. So now it is working and I able to logged in. So it will fix the wrong cache password kind of thing. So then next method is you need to remove the saved credentials. So to do that, you need to go to search bar, type control panel, tap on it. Then after, go to the credential manager. You can't see it here. So first you need to change the view by option into the large icons. So then after, you can see credential manager in here. Yes, just tap on it. Tap on Windows credentials. So if you see Outlook, Microsoft Office, MS Exchange kind of credentials in the general credential section in here, simply expand it, tap on remove option. This will clear the corrupted credentials and restart your computer. And the next method is turn off always prompt login option. To do that, you need to open Outlook, go to the file and go to the account info. Then you can come to the account section and tap on your account. Then after, scroll down and remove account. Then after, you can again log in using your email and password. Then this remove process will be fix your current account login issues. So the next method is you need to repair Outlook data file. To do that, go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it and select the mail option. If you can't see, change the view by into the large icons, tap on mail. So tap on the data files option, tap on open file location. Okay, then after, you need to close the Outlook. I already closed that one. So you can delete this file, right click on it, tap on delete option. Then after, try to open Outlook again. And the next method is you need to disable antivirus email protection, but this is a temporary. So first you need to go to search bar, type security, tap on Windows security option. So tap on virus and threat protection, scroll down and tap on manage setting option, scroll down and tap on exclude. Under the exclusion, tap on add or remove exclusion option, tap on yes. So select the exclusion option. So then this application or folders will be excluded from the Microsoft Defender antivirus. So you need to select the file and you need to find the path for the Outlook. This PC